Customer centricity. It's key for every business. Customer centricity equals more loyalty, equals more sales. And what company doesn't enjoy the prospect of a fatter bottom line? But while customer centricity is a great idea in theory, well, putting it into action is harder than you'd think. For one thing, pinpointing what customers want is hard. Putting that change into action is even harder. Let's say you pull off the impossible and wrestle those essential changes into place. Your customers are quite happy, but no one else is. You see, change is hard on everyone, and it costs their departments money, time, and sometimes even status. So if you're the one championing the idea of a more customer-centric company, how do you sell your board, your investors, and your fellow employees on a hard idea? Well, you listen to us, and you start here. Number 1. Get your management team on board. Customer centricity does cost money now, but it makes more money later. Lots more. Get out the calculator, the whiteboard, and that statistician you keep in the closet, and prove that happy customers buy more, are more loyal, and they bring their friends. Number 2. Connect to your customer. When was the last time you answered a survey honestly? Now, you won't find out what your customers want by throwing paper at them. Get out there and ask them what's bothering them, and then do the work of figuring out a smart solution for them. Number 3. Build a customer movement. If customer-centric changes were like fairy dust, well, you'd be watching a magical transformation happen right before your eyes. But since you live in the real world, you're going to need some people in your corner helping everyone understand why enthusiastically embracing customer centricity makes showing up for work a lot more fun. Make it easy for them by finding customer-focused employees at all levels in your company, building them up as champions, and putting them in the spotlight. Maybe even give them a nice shiny hat to wear. You see, that's when you'll see the whole company start to embrace customer centricity. Because while no one likes difficult and expensive, everyone likes happy customers, high praise, and a shiny hat. Oh, and impressive profits. Everyone likes those too. So are these steps making sense to you? Well, we're just getting started. If you believe in customer centricity, or you're just now starting to see that Peter from marketing might have a point about how focusing on the customer can help your company grow next quarter, well, you're going to need a lot more help. And probably some specifics on how to do it. And maybe some examples on how the biggest customer leaders have achieved it over the last few years. It's a good thing Alan Tace has a new book out covering all that. So you want to be customer-centric? You'll want to click that link then. This book will show you how.